It puts it in a very unique, I guess, priority list. It gives those guys something they can look at and say, hey, I do have a voice, instead of being, one of 6 million things it seems like that we can never get to. Now I know where I'm at on the list, and I know why we're working on this issue over here instead of mine at this moment, because mine is only worth, 0.5% of our day, and that one over there is worth 5% of our day. So it really just helped us communicate a lot of different things with those folks on the floor.